Hey everyone, today we've got a VHSS in the shop with some significant sanding marks in it. So today we'll show you the significance of taking those out. Although this is a quick one, we will show you some of the results from that. Hey guys, I thought I'd just quickly show you what I mean when I say I'm removing sanding marks from the paint. When the car is being painted, it generally goes through a process of sanding to reduce the texture or the peel. So they'll often go through like a 1500 and they'll sand on a machine, and then 3000. There's obviously a lot more into that, but that's just the gist of it in regards to sanding. And I'm just going to show you this area right here where you can see there in the light, you won't even notice the marks, but I've done a tape drawing here across this area here, and then you'll see the sanding marks down below and where we've already polished on the top side. So that's what I mean when we say we're removing sanding marks in paint. So yeah, just thought I'd give you that bit of an insight to the meaning behind removing sanding marks. Cheers guys.